Squad, man. Me and my boy T-Lex in the building, man. So today's Sunday, you already know, man. We're going to the beach party. And what I'm gonna do for you guys, I'm gonna ask questions at the beach party. You know, it's Haitian Heritage Month. You feel me? So we're gonna go to the beach party. And I'm gonna, like, you know, go around and ask people, like, you know, what makes them proud to be Haitian, what does the Haitian flag mean to them and stuff. You know, I'm gonna, you know, make sure I get some good, like, videos for you guys at the beach party. You know, I'm gonna show you where, like, the girls twerking and all that. Me and my boys getting ready right now. Can y'all say team? Can y'all say team NFA? Can y'all say team NFA? 1, 2, 3, team NFA!
We're in the building.
We're in the building, man. So we're in the building, man. So we're about to go to the beach party right now.
Win Squad, man. I'm back with another video. So today I'm with
Krishna.
Alright, so you know it's Haitian Flag Day weekend in Miami. We're having a good time, man. You know, since you're Haitian, man, I got 2 questions for you.
Yes.
The first question is, what makes you proud to be Haitian?
Why? What is not to be proud about? Haitians, we have the best heritage, best pride, the confidence. Everything about being Haitian is A1. So everything, I just love being Haitian, all in all.
Alright, so the second question is, what does the Haitian flag mean to you?
The Haitian flag for me has always been perseverance and consistency. Haitians will fight for what they want, they get their goals done, and that's something I've always looked up to as a Haitian.
Alright, thank you for your time. Alright, you can shout out yourself. Let them know where they can follow you.
Krishna at Krishna, that's it. 4 A's. That's it.
And we out. Let's go. And I'm with my boy.
Ben.
Ben. So you're Haitian, right?
I am Haitian, yes.
So I have 2 questions for you. You know, we're in Miami, living our best life and shit, you know. So my first question is, what makes you proud to be Haitian?
What makes me proud to be Haitian? The culture, the history, first black nation, first black free state. So yeah, heritage, all of that, everything.
So my second question for you is, what does the Haitian flag means to you?
Freedom, revolution, a way of new thinking. I don't want to say everything, just pro-black, Pan-Africanism, everything that just accentuates black culture and Africa pretty much. So that's what it means to me.
And so I want to say thank you for your time, man, and be safe out here, and then let them people know where they can follow.
Love. Blue Chip Burns, IG. I don't accept a lot of people, but follow whatever. I'm down, whatever.
All right, holla my boy. And we're in Miami. We out. Let's go.
Riva Cantav.
Riva Sakpas na Boule.
Anula.
So, you know, we're in Miami, man. It's Haitian Flag Day weekend. We're having a good time. So I have 2 questions for you, man.
Yes.
The first question is, what makes you proud to be Haitian?
Oh, manger, lang la. Music la. Everything.
Okay. So the second question for you is, what does the Haitian flag mean to you?
It makes me very proud. Very proud. Sito po pombal misla.
Okay. So, man, I really want to say thank you to you, man, for your time. So tell the people where they can follow you.
Nom se Riva Cantav. M'gon podcast kap soti ki rele Voix Radio, which is all about Haitian music and bringing it into the mainstream media.
All right, so
So
thank
you
you.
catch me on Instagram, Facebook, and all of that.
All right, thank you. And we out. Yes, sir, we back with my boy. Heineken in the building, man. So, yo. So you Haitian, right?
Long time.
Man, say sac passe to my people for me.
Sac passe.
Yeah, so I have 2 questions for you today, my boy. The first question is, what makes you proud to be Haitian, bro?
Family. Because, you know, we go hard, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
You know, our parents, doctor, lawyer, engineer, they want us to be rich, they want us to be famous, you know what I mean?
Yes,
I grew up when having a flat top and wearing black sneakers was a no-go. And, you know, when Wyclef busted through for us, you know what I mean?
So, all right, so the second question is, what does the Haitian flag means to you?
Strength, pride, and it's the most colorful flag. And you know, the Haitian community really helped a lot of countries in South America. That's why a lot of other countries' flags is like ours.
Respect us, man. So, man, I really want to say thank you to you, man, for your time. And shout yourself out, man, where they can find you at.
They call me Heineken, Bag Fuel, This is 50, Hot New Hip Hop. You catch me anywhere.
All right, man.
Sauce Grillo.
So we're in Miami living our best life, man. So we out of here, man. All right, we're back again and again, man. So today I'm with
Mimi. Style by me.
Mimi Meow. But so you proud to be Haitian, right?
Oui.
Okay, the question for you, man. So I'm gonna ask you 2 questions, right?
Okay.
The first question is, what makes you proud to be Haitian?
Oh, tout bagay. The culture, the music, the food, everything. We're just different. Like, there's nobody like us in the Caribbean, period.
Facts. And we're about to prove it to them. We're about to turn up, so you're gonna see that too. So the second question for you.
All right.
What does the Haitian flag mean to you?
Freedom, basically, you know?
Yeah.
I think that's pretty much, I think that pretty much says it all. Like I said, we're not this, like, we're different from everyone else in the Caribbean. So we kind of set the precedent. So I feel like our flag means a lot. I think I read the other day that like Colombia and another country put the blue in their flag because we helped them. So I mean, we lit.
Yeah. So, hey, make sure y'all check it out, man. Shout yourself out, man.
Style by me, that's with an I, and Joseph, me, I have a boutique too. That's with the I. Okay.
All right, and we out. Man. Today I'm with. What's your name?
Regina.
All right. So you're Haitian, right?
Yes.
So I have 2 questions for you, right?
Okay.
I mean, for both of you. What's your name?
Kazi.
All right. So I have 2 questions for you guys. The first question is, what does the Haitian flag mean to y'all?
Unity. Freedom.
All right. I like that answer. I like that.
Friend.
Oh, okay. Keep going.
Yes.
Keep going. All right.
It means a group of people coming together that came from the same place.
Yeah. So okay. So the second question is, what makes you proud to be Haitian?
The people.
The
culture.
The culture and
Yes, we stick together.
That's a fact. I like it. Everybody wanna be in so, man. Exactly, man. So, yes. So you know we're in Miami, man. Like I've been a blast, man. So, hey, do something for the camera real quick. Hey. Talk that ass. Hey. Okay. All right. So today I'm with my boy Flame Casanova, aka Zaz in the building, man. Yeah, always, man. So
in the house, in New York, in the house.
Yes. So you know we're in Miami, living our best life and shit, you know. So I got 2 questions for you, my boy.
What's up?
So the first question is, what does the Haitian flag mean to you?
The Haitian flag is my pride, man. It's my blood. We outside always.
One time,
I'm back here. Yes, sir.
So the second question, bro, is what makes you proud to be Haitian?
Yo, bro, I was born and raised in Haiti, man. Kafu, represent. I'm proud to be Haitian because we got the best food.
Facts.
Best vibe. We got the best compound, man. And
Speaking,
we have the best history.
That's a fact.
Alright.
So what's your favorite Haitian food, bro?
Yo, bro, du sauce pois légumes avec banane pesée. Et puis,
You making me hungry right now, bro.
You know the vibe.
And so I want to say thank you to you, bro, and shout yourself out, my boy.
Alright, shout out to Flame Casanova, you know it, the one and only. Team Flame outside, TGK, on that lot.
One time, and we out. My question for you is, by the way, what's your name?
Tressica with a T. Tressica.
Tressica. Okay, so I'm about to ask you 2 questions, okay? The first question is, what makes you proud to be Haitian?
The biggest thing that makes me proud to be Haitian is that
We don't let nothing stop us. We might be hard on ourselves, but we love each other.
That's a fact. So the second question is, you know, we're here to celebrate Flag Day, right?
Yes.
So my question is, what does the Haitian flag mean to you?
The Haitian flag to me means freedom. True freedom without being controlled. The freedom to wake up and not have to go to work but still be able to eat.
Man.
That's the true freedom to me. It means blood and it means like liberty.
Man, I really love your answer, man.
Yeah, thank you.
I love your answer.
I'm very proud to be Haitian.
So I really want to say thank you for your time, and you can shout yourself out, man. Let them know.
Follow me on Instagram, No Stress Cleaning.
And we lit. Hey, you ready? So today I'm with
Time.
Ty, man. So I have two questions for you. You know, we're in Miami, so for Flag Day weekend. So my question for you is, what makes you proud to be Haitian?
My bloodline, my heritage, our history. That's why.
Okay. So the second question is, what does the Haitian flag mean to you?
It means life because we were the first, we're the best, and we're gonna continue to be the best.
And that's on what? That's on
Period.
That's on period. So, you know, shout yourself out on Instagram, because, you know, I know you're tax manager. You're doing a great job. So I really appreciate you for doing everything.
Thank you.
You're good for the culture and stuff. So,
It's because of you guys.
so let them know where they can find you.
You can find me at It's Ty Noel, ITSTAINOELLOE.
All right. So, and we out.